What if I told you that our grandmothers knew more about nutrition science than most of our current modern dietitians? Why did our ancestors eat ghee daily but had no heart disease? Why did they combine specific spices with certain foods? And why did they eat the largest meal at lunch, not dinner? Today, we are exploring the incredible science behind why turmeric, ghee, and eating with your hands aren't just tradition. They are genius health strategies. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Likita's Foodie Studio. I used to think modern nutrition science was superior to traditional Indian eating habits. Then I discovered the research behind why we eat dal chawal together, why we start meal with something sweet, and why our ancestors never counted calories but stayed healthy. Science behind all these strategic eating habits will blow your mind. While the world struggle with obesity, diabetes, and digestive issues, ancient Indian eating wisdom had already solved all of these problems thousands of years ago. From the timing of meals to food combinations, every practice had a scientific reason. Ancient Indian eating practices that we have forgotten certain secrets that researchers are only now discovering it. Today, we are uncovering the brilliant science behind ancient Indian eating that modern research is finally validating. Let me show you the fascinating research that proves our ancestors were nutrition scientists. Ayurveda, the science of life, forms the bedrock of ancient Indian eating. It tailors dietary recommendations to an individual's unique dosha constitutions, emphasizing the strength of Agni, that is the digestive fire. Every meal is a symphony of the six tastes, ensuring comprehensive micro and macronutrient balance for metabolic harmony. An ancient Indian medical system focusing on individualized eating called on doshas, that is, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, highlights the importance of digestive fire for optimal nutrient and metabolic harmony, that is, emphasizing on Agni. Six tastes integrations that incorporates in our meal are sweet, sour, salty, pungent, bitter, and astringent or balanced nutrient intake. Holistic nutrient balance ensures equilibrium of micro and macronutrients, promoting metabolic harmony and the overall health. Ancient Indian diet expertly utilized a diverse range of grains and legumes as fundamental source of nutrition. Millets like ragi and jowar were staples, providing superior nutritional profiles compared to the more common grains. Millets. They are the diverse, nutrient-rich alternatives to brown rice and wheat. Ragi contains an impressive 10 times the calcium of white rice, vital for bone health. Legumes are a primary source of protein rich in fiber, and each 100 grams of serving a legume, you are able to get up to 15 grams of proteins. Spices are not merely flavor enhancers in Indian cuisine, they are vital therapeutic agents. Each spice possesses unique medical properties, contributing significantly to health and well being. So, let's explore some of the most common spices and herbs that ancient Indian food incorporated. Turmeric. This potent component with significant anti-inflammatory effort where it will reduce 3 to 5% of the inflammation when you take it in limited or recommended dose. Ginger aids digestion and possess anti-nausea property, reducing the motion sickness by up to 60%. Cumin is one another common spice which supports iron absorption and act as a digestive stimulant, promoting your gut health. Fenugreek helps to regulate your blood sugar level and is known famously as boost lactation in nursing mothers. Cardamom aids in detoxification process and improves overall blood circulation. Ghee, the clarified butter, is a cornerstone of healthy fats in ancient Indian eating. It is exceptionally rich in beneficial compounds like byrate, conjugated linoleic acid, and fat-soluble vitamins. They are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K, all crucial for various bodily functions. Ghee has high smoke point, reducing harmful free radical formation during cooking. It emphasizes on A2 milk from specific cow breed believed to be more digestible. Ghee is a traditional dairy product like curd provide essential probiotic for your gut health. Butter from grass-fed cows has a higher concentration of beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. These traditional fats and dairy products are integral to the ancient Indian diet, contributing not only to the flavor but also profound nutritional benefits, supporting everything from digestion to overall vitality. To know more about ghee and its benefits, please look into our why you should be eating more ghee and know more about ghee and its traditional usage and benefits. Fermented foods are a fundamental aspect of ancient Indian culinary traditions, playing a crucial role in enhancing nutrient availability and promoting gut health. Staples like idli, dosa, dokla, and various pickles are not just delicious but also incredibly beneficial. Fermentation significantly increases the presence of vital nutrients. For instance, vitamin B in idli can increase by 100 to 200%. The process aids digestion and can improve nutrient absorption by up to 25%, making nutrients more accessible to the body. These fermented foods introduce live beneficial bacteria supporting healthy and diverse gut microbes. Fermentation effectively reduces compounds like phytic acid, which can inhibit mineral absorption, thus enhancing overall nutritional value. Beyond the ingredients themselves, ancient Indian eating deeply integrates mindful practices. Ahara niyama, which means the procedure of having food, outlines guidelines for eating, advocating for fresh, wholesome food consumed in a calm and peaceful environment. The concept of ritucharya promotes eating seasonally, locally grown produce, aligning the diet with natural cycles. Eating with awareness or dhyana encourages individuals to focus on taste, textures, and satiety signals of their food. There is a strong preference for sattvic, that is, pure food, and deliberate avoidance of processed items. Chewing food slowly is paramount as it significantly aids digestion and allows the body to register satiety cues effectively. Next time, when someone questions traditional Indian eating habits, you have the science to back them up. Our food combinations, eating rituals, and meal timing weren't just culture, they were advanced nutrition science. The science behind ancient Indian eating proves our ancestors were incredibly wise. Start incorporating these practices. Eat your largest meal at lunch when digestion is strongest. Combine turmeric with black pepper for better absorption and include all 6 days in every meal. If you are someone who admires Indian practices, I would love to know which ancient Indian practice will you bring back to your kitchen first. And if you are someone who is proud of your dietary practices, comment below and tell me which your family still follows. Are there any traditional food combinations or eating rituals that have been traditionally passed down in your family? If you loved learning about the science behind traditional eating, share this video to help others discover the wisdom in our traditional ways of eating. Check out my YouTube shorts for healthy recipe videos where I combine ancient wisdom with modern nutrition. Subscribe for more content and celebrate our food heritage while keeping you healthy. Let's bring back the best of our culinary tradition.